Okay, now that we've seen how to manage contacts, create sales funnels, we're going to see how to actually send emails with System.io, because of course you want to send emails to your contacts and make money. So you have two main options. The first one is the newsletters. The second one is the campaign email. So let's go to newsletter. So newsletter, they're going to be like the emails that you're going to send manually to your list. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna choose the tags I want to send the email to. So here you can change your sender name, the sender email address, and these default settings you can change in the mailing settings item menu here. Okay, so here you can type in your text like hello, hi there, I would like to blah blah blah, and you can type in your text. So in case you're wondering, right now we don't have a visual editor that allows you to create some fancy emails. We're gonna add this feature soon, but you have to know that I've been doing email marketing. I've been actually living off email marketing since 2010, and it's been proven that this kind of email converts better because it doesn't look like a commercial email. So you can, in the meantime, you can actually keep sending emails and make money with your online business. Okay, so here you type in the text, you can add some attachments. Here you can include the tags you want to send to, and here you can exclude the tags you don't want to send to. Okay, so here you have an option that's like if you want to exclude people who subscribe less than, let's say, 10 days ago. Okay, for example, if you have an email campaign that is sent to your new opt-in subscribers that lasts for 7 days, maybe when you send a manual newsletter, you want to exclude these people. So here you have the ability to exclude all people who registered less than 8 days ago in this case. Okay, so here I can click save and I can schedule the email or send it right away to my list. So here we have the campaign. So I don't have any campaign, so I'm gonna click on let's say people opt in to receive a 5-day coaching course, So here I can edit the campaign, so I can actually add emails to the campaign. So here is your freebie. I can change the sender name here, and here I can set the delay before sending the email. Let's say it's 0 hours. I want the email to be sent right after opt-in. So here it's the first step. So here I'm going to type in the text, and here I can click save and save the test email. So actually I can choose a Gmail address because it's bad for deliverability. So we strongly advise you to purchase a domain name. You can get one for like $7 per year, and a mailbox, and just create an email address with your own domain name. So it's going to be much better. So we don't allow people to send emails with the Gmail address or a Yahoo address. Yahoo actually doesn't allow you to send emails from a Yahoo email address that is not sent from their own servers. That's DMARC in action. For Gmail, actually, it's not correct. It's not DMARC. It's just the fact that we think it's a bad idea to send emails to your list with a Gmail address. Okay, and Gmail actually should be implement DMARC soon, so it won't be possible, technically speaking, to send emails to your list with the Gmail address. Okay, so here are the campaigns. Here you can check the statistics, so it's quite important. You see the amount of emails sent over time, the average percent of opened, average percent of spam reports. So they're not spam, they're spam reports. It's when someone actually clicked on mark this email as spam, someone who received your email and manually clicked on report as spam, that you get a spam report here. So it's very important to check this out. And the average percent of bounced emails, bounced is when there was an issue with the delivery of the email. So you might also want to check out this figure here, because it's quite important for your deliverability. Okay, so that's all for the emails. You have two main features: send emails manually with newsletters, or send emails automatically with campaigns. And if I have some advice to give to you, is don't make it too complicated. If you want to create an email campaign, just write down an outline, like first email, it's going to be like hello, second email, it's going to be some content, third email, it's going to be an answer to an objection, fourth email. So you can go with an email campaign that lasts for maybe 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Usually shouldn't be too long, or it becomes very hard to create and to maintain. But my advice is don't make it too complicated. Go with an email campaign that lasts maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, and go with it. Take 1 afternoon, 2 afternoons, write down the emails, set them, and you're good to go. Don't try to make it perfect. It's better to have something in place that works right now. And once it's set, it's going to work on autopilot for years. So don't bother too much. You can still go back, edit your email campaign, but try to get started as soon as you can. And then you can send newsletters to your subscribers on a regular basis. For example, you might want to send, a newsletter per week, or twice per month, or once per month. Try not to stop sending emails for a month and then come back, because people will have forgotten you. So my recommendation is actually to set a schedule. Okay, so you can say, okay, I'm going to send emails maybe twice per month, once per week, but you should set a schedule and stick to it. That's my advice. Okay, guys, so let's see you in the next video, where I'm going to show you how to automate your business.